This quick video, I want to show you how to change out the batteries in any HoneyWell thermostat. It's pretty self-explanatory, and you can tell it needs the batteries replaced. Usually this will not light up, or it'll actually have an error that it says replace battery. Now, most of the HoneyWells takes two AA batteries like this, AA, and to access it, there's a compartment right here on the side, as you can see that. See the seam there? And what you want to do is you want to pull to your right, and it actually will pop off like that. And the only thing we have to do is go ahead and pry that up here on the back. And there's a second one, and it'll show you which side you put the positive or the negative. And of course, positive has this little lump there, and it'll say positive on that side. So stick it in there. And then this one, positive goes here. So, and the only thing you have to do is just reverse that. And it should be good to go. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.